Hey guys, welcome back to Greg Pittman Drone Tech. I'm Greg, and today I want to bring you an item that we're all going to be needing pretty soon with the weather changing and getting cold out, and that is the PGY Tech photography gloves. These things here, I'll get it up in the picture so you can see it better. See if we can get the light on it just right. Anyway, here's the back of the box so that you can see it. Let me get them out here. Some people know about them, some people don't, but these gloves are kind of unique. They're nice warm gloves. They keep your hands warm, and I keep mine packaged up like new all the time when I'm not using them. Clean them up, put them back in the box, wrap them after I know they're dry. And these gloves here, the fingertips, you can pop the fingertips out. I'm going to put one of them on here. I'll put on my right hand glove and I'll show you. These are really good gloves. Like I said, some people are aware of them, some people aren't. But for those that are not, that's who this video is really for. But you've got your full coverage here on your hand, as you can see, and you can take your fingertip and you can pull out your fingertip, and this here clips back and it has a snap where you snap it down. Let me find it here. Snap it down, it stays out of the way. And your thumb, you snap it out of the way too, and then you have control. And you even got, if you use your third finger, you same thing on third finger, but you can control your thing with your fingertips. And if your fingers get cold, you just pop them off, slip them back in, and they're all covered up and good to go. It's a great little set of gloves. I don't remember what they cost, but you can get them at PGY Tech. Imagine you can probably get them on Amazon too, but DJI sells them on their website. In fact, I got mine from DJI. I think they're around 50 bucks if I remember correct, but they're well worth their money. They work really well. But really, that's all I have for today. I just wanted to show you this and remind others about these gloves that may have known about them and forgot about them, put them to the back of their mind. But the weather getting colder, these gloves are definitely going to be very, very useful. And I hope that this video helps. And if it does, please hit the like button. And if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. And for that, that's about all I got today. Anyway, you stay safe and take care, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.